We truly believe All Pro Roofing stands out as one of the best choices for roof installation in Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey, because we combine expert craftsmanship, premium materials, and a complete, customer-first approach to every project. Our team of experienced roofers specializes in installing durable roof shingles, elegant roof tiles, and long-lasting metal roofing systems, ensuring every roof installation is built for performance, protection, and longevity. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. Are seamless gutters better for new roofs? Yes, seamless gutters are often a better choice for new roofs, and at All Pro Roofing, we highly recommend them for homeowners and businesses in Mt Laurel Township. Seamless gutters are custom fabricated to fit your property, which means fewer joints and seams where leaks, clogs, and corrosion typically occur. Do new roofs require upgraded gutter systems? Yes, new roofs often require upgraded gutter systems, and at All Pro Roofing, we regularly recommend evaluating and upgrading gutters during a new roof installation to ensure full protection of the property. A new roof can change water flow patterns, drainage volume, and runoff speed, especially with modern materials like roof shingles, roof tiles, or metal roofing, which means older gutters may no longer handle the increased water efficiently. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Morristown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pennsauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mount-laurel-township-nj